Oh. Oi, oi. Hey everybody, Mo Friggin back again. Looking good out there. Missed ya. I think about you sometimes when you're not around. 3 items to review today. 3 things I picked up recently, added to my kit. We got a knife, we have a scissor, and we have a pouch. Let's get this show on the road. First up, the knife, we have the Cold Steel Voyager XL Vaquero version. Kukuri blade, meaning that it's got this zip kind of look to it. We'll get over to the table, look at some more specs, and check this bad boy out. I also picked up this cool pair of scissors that fold up quite compactly and have a little pocket clip. Take a closer look at these on the table. Initially, I thought, these can't cut anything. These are the worst, but actually they're okay. So let's pull them over to the table and check them out and test it out on some paracord and some other stuff. And then lastly, I picked up this pouch and I thought, this pouch is too small. What is it going to hold? And then I'm going to show you how much actually fits in this bad boy, because I got it packed full of knives, just brimming, just overflowing cornucopia of knives that can fit into this pouch. So let's get over to the table. Let's check this stuff out. The Cold Steel Voyager XL. This is a Vaquero version. It's got this kukri style blade there. Triad lock handle, very grippy. Downside of that is that you can't get this tiny little pocket clip into your pocket. So I don't think you're carrying this in your pocket very easily, especially not on a daily basis. Maybe you got some really rugged pants on, you might be able to pull it off. It did come with 2 pocket clips, one for this side. If you wanted to carry it on this side, it kind of curves this way. You can see this pocket clip kind of curves like that. This is a big knife, you guys. I think they say it's 5.5. Yeah, 5.25 inch long, handle 6 3/4, total length, almost a foot.
They're not gonna let me on the plane with this 2-foot knife.
Yes, they will.
No, they won't.
Choke up spot there. You got a spot here you could grab onto it. You could grab it all the way back here and kind of chop with it if you wanted. What do we got here? We got OS 10A, which is similar to VG10. So it's got like a toughness of 4, edge retention 4.5, corrosion resistance of 7.5, somewhere in that range, with an HRC of 58 to 60. So maybe on the low end, maybe you're not quite maximizing out that edge retention number with that heat treat, but I mean, serviceable for sure. This is Griv X material here. It says it has aluminum liner, so that might be aluminum. On the inside, it has some aluminum all the way down. Oh yeah, look at that. Some weight savings there. Thumb stud deployment. Can you close it one-handed? You can, because it drops down halfway. Finish it up like that. Whip it out one-handed, but as it breaks in, that blade's going to start falling down pretty swift. I'm going to put out the 704 gear because this was a 704 gear special. He was promoting this on his channel. It usually go for about $70 for this XL Voyager series, but this one is on sale for half at $37.50. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I wanted to pick it up and check out this knife. Too big to carry it around. I'd rather carry something on my belt this big. I did carry it on one camp out just to see what it'd be like, and really had a hard time getting it in and out of my pockets. I've been keeping it by my boxes and just using it to flatten the boxes down to store them a little bit better for my cut testing. So it just blasts through cardboard. This little spot right here traps little cardboard in there, just does a great job. And even after using it a bit, does it still cut? Let's see what we have here. We have bitten. 3 medical students rented a townhouse in West Virginia, summer golf resort for spring break. After one night, student complained of pain in the back of his right calf. Papule developed, had a severe dermatologic reaction. What was it? Rickettsia pox. Wow. No wildlife, no tick exposure, but the townhouse had a year-round resident indoor-outdoor cat living in the basement next to the heater. Crazy. It's got a hang-up right there. It's got some hang-ups, you guys, but like I said, I've been using this for cardboard. Next up, this one is not a 704 gear. This one is from Fit to Survive channel. It wasn't something featured on his channel, but something he just had on a post for his channel. These are DAKOYU Mantis compact folding scissors. These were $10. They came in black, so I had to check it out. I thought maybe I could use it in the ER for like an alternative to the Leatherman trauma shears, but just too small. And shh, DAKOYU, it doesn't really cut that well. Paper. Cuts paper just fine. If you're just cutting paper, you'll be fine. You want to cut some paracord? You're in trouble, mister. Let's get some tension on it. Oh man, it really cannot cut it. I tried to cut bag of candy open with it and it couldn't cut it. I don't know, maybe there's a chance I could sharpen these up, and here's the problem. I just dropped these in my pocket. They have a little tiny pocket clip back here. Really tough in and out of the pocket, really small. I just have been dropping it in the bottom of my pocket, and I've used it more than I've used my Knipex pliers. So to me, that says that these are pretty useful. Maybe I can sharpen them up and they can cut some more stuff. And it has a little ruler on the side. I think I'm just gonna keep carrying them around until I can't stand them anymore. Lost a few things in my EDC. I think I got some space for them. Would I pick these up? I don't know, 10 bucks? Let me sharpen them up. Let me sharpen them up and see if I can recommend them. Last thing, this is another 704 gear special. This is from Lemubeane, Tactical Molle Horizontal Admin Pouch. I got it fully loaded here, 8.5 inches across. It's got clips if you want to put a strap on it, but it didn't come with a strap. 6.5 inches and then 3 inches thick, about roughly. All those are rough. It's got a little patch of loop here to put some patches on. It's got some Molle clips here if you wanted to strap something on the front there. On the back, it's got clips for Molle, more Molle clips there. Has a drainage hole in the bottom. It's got a slim pouch here in the front. I just have one smock blade in here that I'm getting ready to work on, so I have that in there. And then let's see what kind of knives. I got a ton of knives in here. It just is packed full of knives. How many knives can this fit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just loose that I just had down in the bottom. Then it has on this side a mesh pouch, and I just have 3 knives in there. And then on this side it has another, just a length pocket, not mesh, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 knives, maybe more. Still some room in there. $5.50 for this pouch. I thought, I keep a bunch of stuff on my desk. It might be better if I just organized it a bit out here. So just a quick one today, guys. Just those 3 things. Just Vaquero knife, $37.50. Couldn't pass it up, but is this a giftable knife? I don't know. Maybe as a joke gift to somebody. Not super practical for everyday carry, but breaking down boxes, this guy's a beast right out of the box. I have these DAKOYU compact scissors that I've been using quite a bit and carrying and liking, but then I can't recommend them because they don't cut. Paracord, they didn't cut the bag of candy, so disappointing there. And then, of course, the Lemubeane Molle pouch for $5.50, carries 13 knives plus. I'm happy with that. Thanks for coming out. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Farewell. Bam, 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 bam.